Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best nursing shears is probably one of the most essential tools in any healthcare professional's kit, designed for quick and safe cutting of bandages, tape, clothing, and other materials that might obstruct medical care, ensuring that you can respond effectively in critical situations without causing further harm to the patient. These specialized scissors are crafted with precision and durability in mind, featuring angled blades that allow for easy access under dressings and a serrated edge for a clean, efficient cut every time, making them indispensable for nurses, paramedics, and first responders alike. Number 5. MEUUT Medical Trauma Shears. Introducing our patented medical scissors, designed for safe and efficient cutting. They are crafted from high-strength stainless steel for exceptional sharpness and durability. These professional-grade shears have passed rigorous testing, ensuring heavy-duty performance. The surgical-grade stainless steel blades feature a non-stick coating for smooth operation. Enjoy maximum comfort and precision with the ergonomic soft grip handles. They are designed for both left and right-handed users, making them versatile for any task. These versatile scissors can handle a wide range of materials, from bandages and gauze to rope and seatbelts. They are perfect for medical professionals, outdoor enthusiasts, and household use. Built with a durable rivet and high-density stainless steel, these shears are made to last. Each pair is meticulously assembled and tested to guarantee top quality. You'll receive 2 pairs of these 8-inch shears, suitable for both left and right-hand use. They are available in black. What we like? These shears feature a patented, non-stick blade design for effortless cutting. If you need a durable, high-performance tool that works for both left and right-handed users, these are an excellent choice for demanding tasks. What people say? The shears are sharp and cut through bandages and clothing easily. The serrated blade helps to grip the material, preventing slippage. The safety tip prevents accidental punctures. Number 4. Prestige Medical Stylemate Utility Scissor, Daisy. Introducing the Prestige Medical Stylemate Utility Scissor. It's designed for your everyday needs. This model features a delightful daisy print on the blade. It adds a touch of personality to your tools. Crafted for durability, this scissor is built to last. You can rely on its performance for various tasks. For your convenience and safety, it is autoclavable. This ensures easy and effective sterilization. Proudly made in the United States. Experience quality craftsmanship with this essential tool. What we like? Looking for a touch of personal style with your medical tools? These shears offer a unique daisy print and are autoclavable for hygiene. If you appreciate aesthetics and reliable sterilization, these are a great option. What people say? The shears are sharp and cut through bandages and clothing easily. The serrated edge is great for gripping slippery materials. The safety tip prevents accidental punctures. Number 3. Premium Trauma Shears 3-pack. Introducing our premium trauma shears, designed for medical professionals and first responders. This value pack includes 3 pairs of high-quality medical scissors. Crafted with titanium-coated stainless steel blades, these shears offer exceptional sharpness and durability. Their deep-milled serrations ensure clean and efficient cutting of various materials. Safety is paramount with our blunt-tip design, preventing accidental scratches. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip for both left and right-handed users. These shears are perfect for cutting gauze, bandages, tape, and even clothing. They are an essential tool for any medical kit, from everyday use to wilderness first aid. Specifically engineered for doctors, nurses, paramedics, and EMTs, these scissors are built to perform in critical situations. They are a reliable choice for any healthcare setting. Beyond medical use, these versatile shears can handle a wide range of tasks. They are suitable for various professional and personal first aid needs. What we like? This pack provides excellent value with 3 pairs of professional-grade shears. If you need reliable, safe cutting tools for various situations and want backups or to keep them in multiple locations, this multicolor set is ideal. What people say? The shears are sharp and cut through bandages and clothing easily. The serrated edge is great for cutting tough materials like seatbelts. The safety tip prevents accidental punctures. Number 2. 2 PCS Folding Scissors. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and zinc alloy, these scissors are built for durability and long-lasting use. They are sturdy and reliable for all your cutting needs. These mini scissors are incredibly lightweight and designed to be foldable, making them perfect for travel or everyday carry. Slip them easily into your pocket, purse, or keychain. The clever folding design conceals the sharp blades when not in use, ensuring safety and preventing accidental cuts. They are easy to store securely in any small space. These small scissors are incredibly versatile. They can handle a variety of materials, from tape and paper to fabric and thread, making them ideal for numerous tasks. Whether you're traveling, at home, or in the office, these portable scissors are your go-to tool. They are also a great accessory for nurses and craft enthusiasts. Unfolded, they offer ample cutting space, while their compact folded size makes them easy to tuck away. They are designed for convenience without compromising functionality. What we like. For ultimate portability and safety, these folding scissors are a game changer. If you prioritize compact storage, travel convenience, and a secure design to prevent accidental cuts, these are perfect for your badge, keychain, or travel bag. What people say. The shears are sharp and cut through bandages easily. The serrated edge is great for gripping and cutting tough materials. The safety tip prevents accidental punctures. Number 1. MEDVICE 7.5-inch medical scissors. Crafted from durable, fluoride-coated stainless steel, these shears are built to last. Their non-stick blades and high-impact handles ensure long-term, reliable use. Featuring a safe blunt tip and non-stick blades, these scissors are easy and safe to handle. The fluoride coating also helps prevent rust and corrosion, making them a nursing school essential. These medical shears are autoclavable up to 290 degrees Fahrenheit 143 degrees Celsius. This allows for easy sterilization between uses, making them perfect for any medical environment and a key piece of nurses' equipment. Designed for demanding situations, these shears feature a serrated blade that cuts through materials quickly and efficiently. They are a must-have for any medical kit, especially for EMTs. We stand by our products and prioritize your satisfaction. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us for any after-sale support you may need. What we like. These shears are built for rigorous medical environments, featuring an autoclavable design for easy sterilization. If you require a rust-free, non-stick tool that can be safely sterilized between uses, these are a top pick for professional settings. What people say. The shears are sharp and cut through bandages and clothing easily. The serrated edge is great for gripping slippery materials. The safety tip prevents accidental punctures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.